Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far. Well, today I'm going to share a tutorial and this tutorial is based on the questions, and I challenge myself to make this tutorial for you, and especially as well for everyone, for those who are not yet familiar how to execute this kind of design. And his question is, can you make the full dinosaur transparent so that a rainbow can show through his whole body? Yes, this one exactly can be done in CANVA 100%, yeah, without using other party. Alright, so I'm going to show you, and thanks for watching this tutorial as well. I believe that after watching this tutorial you can make it. Alright, so this is the final design, and I'm done exactly. I did already a few minutes ago, and I hope after this one you can make it. Alright. Okay, so before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Sharma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a CANVA Pro account, guys, please upgrade your CANVA Pro account, because the benefit of having CANVA Pro account, you can access everything inside the CANVA. Yes, and to smooth your way as well to design. And because I was affiliated with CANVA, I suggest you to click this link over here, and if you use this link here, I will get some tokens. So it's a big help if you use it. But if you are already CANVA Pro users, you don't have to worry about it. You just keep watching, and if you can support this channel if it's useful for you guys to support. Alright, so let's go back to the business. And here, once again, thank you for your questions, Brooke, and I really appreciate, and I challenge myself so your question is how to make the full dinosaur transparent so that a rainbow can show through his whole body. Yes, this is it, the final design. Alright, so I'm going to break down all the elements in here. This is the element that I use: rainbow icon art, and dinosaur, and abstract shapes. So these are all three elements I use in here, and some tricks as well after this. And this element here is colorable, so you can change right away the color. But this element here is not colorable, but we can change the color through this CANVA. And this one, a rainbow element in here that we're going to use it here. So next step, guys, to make this element here transparent, there is a trick how to make. One, we need this abstract shape become pink, and this one become white. So, and after this we will get, if we follow this requirement, we will get this one transparent. So this is the key of having transparent later on. Alright, so change the color. As I mentioned before, you can use this Hex Code here. So the Hex Code, using of this Hex Code, you just go through the channel, this color palette over here. So for example, we are going to how do we use this one? Just go to this color palette and click here, and there is a color palette here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to enlarge this one. So this is the section of Hex Code, and you just release by paste on it, and then it changed the color right away. So this is where you can change the color right away. Okay, so I'm going back to normal. Alright, so you just use this Hex Code. Sometimes, if you use your own pink color, it might not work, but this one, it's been tested already, so you better use it. Alright, otherwise you're a failure. Okay, so that's the information. And the second one that we need to apply, you need to apply become white. This one, we don't use other colors. Okay, so this is the secret how to make this one transparent, and to make this one become white color, because we cannot change it right away. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so this element here, I'm going to copy paste and just put in here. So this one, yeah, so this is the difference of this element here. This element here, when we click there, it will be shown here. You can change the color right away. And then this one, you cannot change right away. Okay, so this one, it can be changed. Okay, so firstly we can go to just click this image and edit image. It will be shown you here a lot of tools that Canva provide, and duotone is the best way how to change this color. All right, so randomly you can choose this one. Yeah, randomly, whatever it is, don't worry, I will just choose this one and click one more time and change the color, become white and become white. Yes. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so that's the way how to change the color. And if you are modify this one intensity, so it will change the color, become black and become original. So don't modify this intensity, just leave it like that, become white, and after that just apply. So you're good to go to continue. And after this, after you apply, and yes, you're good to go to the next step. Okay, so after all done and set what is, and now put this one on the top of this element and group it by dragging this one and just click here, group, or you can do as well, just click Ctrl A and then group and Ctrl G. So done right away. Okay, you can use your keyboard and you can use manual also by click over here. Okay, once you do this one and click share and download it, click download and make sure you choose this transparent and PNG, and click all pages and choose this part is current page. So after this you are good to go, done, and download it. Okay, so I'm not going to do this one because I did already, but I'm going to show you. Okay, and I go to upload because I downloaded and re-upload back again here. Alright, so just crop this part, okay, so that it will not take more space. Alright, so once we put it back on this page again, now click edit image. Alright guys, so this is the benefit if you are Canva Pro users. So this is the benefit that you can use these tools here, background remover, right away. And see, I click here and right away it changed the color, get transparent right away. So if everything is okay here, alright, so apply right away and wait for a second. Now we are good. Okay, so you can change the background color just to to highlight the difference. Okay, so this is it. So now we get transparent. If you follow all the steps that I mentioned before, you will get this one for sure because it's been tested already. Okay, so right away we can change the color. Okay, color white. So we need to change this color, become white. So actually there is two ways how to change this color. So once we click this image here, and it will be shown here, there's adjust section. Just click here, just click this button, brightness all the way forward and contrast all the way forward, and saturation, it's up to you, even the forward or backward doesn't matter. Yeah, this is the first one. And the second one, yeah, I'm going to put it back normal. This one, yeah, the second one, the one that I mentioned before, go to duotone. Okay, click see all and randomly. So click one more time and click white, change the color, become white, and done. Alright, so here we can manage this one, and now we need to cover all this area, become white. So to make it fast, I use this line and shapes from element here. So I grab this square and change the color right away, become white. And now I will just pull over and arrange a little bit. and this one here. Okay, and move a little bit down to get space. Yes, and after this just copy and paste on the other section. Now make it smaller and drag a little bit, and here drag a little bit here, and now one more time. Okay, copy paste to the other section, and this small one you can use again one more time, the square. Okay, to cover this area. Okay, once this all covered, okay, one more time we need to group all. So I'll make it first. I just Control A and Control G and make it smaller, and now make it bigger, pull and resize. Okay, so this is the appearance. Now we are ready. So this one is already transparent. Now we need to get this rainbow color. Yes, absolutely. And put on top of it, just copy paste, and make sure before you before you put backward, the position of this rainbow, you need to resize, make it bigger until it cover this body of dinosaur. So to make it visible, just reduce this transparent. If you think it's good to go, and now make it back normal, and time the position of this rainbow all the way back word. Alright, so now it's good to go. Now we get dinosaurs filled in with rainbow color element. So after this, what we're gonna do, the next step is click share and download it. And after that, transparent background, please uncheck this and check with the page. Alright, make sure clear this one and current page. Okay, it will be downloaded. Okay, because I did already, so I'm not going there anymore, and I'm just going to show you guys, and I will open another page. Okay, here. Alright, so I will just grab this one and put in here, and now click the image and go to background remover. Alright, ta-da! So we are here now. We got a clear dinosaurs filled in with rainbow element, and exactly right. And if your thing is good to go, and apply on it and wait for a second until it get done. Alright, now I will just change the background color so that we can see yes, the final result of these dinosaurs. So this one is a rainbow dinosaurs. Okay, so your questions is answered already, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial after watching this, and right away you can make it. And I do some variations. Okay, I'm going to change this background color. We would like to modify this one. If you're going to give shadow effect on it, just click image and go to look for the shadow. Just click see all, and there's a lot of options here, and I choose this glow, and you can arrange the size and transparency, okay, and blur as well. Okay, so just manage transparency, and this one in here. Yes, you can use this element and put, and you can attach on it as a final design of this one. Okay, so guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel to support. But if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just keep watching. That's fair enough. Thank you guys, and see you again for the next tutorial. Bye bye.